Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to Madam Ani. So today we will present our article review that related to topic of audit quality control. Before that, let me introduce our group members first. So we have Nur Khairina, Nurul Huda Izzati, Nurul Shahira and me, Siti Aisyah. Okay, so this is our contents of presentation. At first, let's look into the introduction of audit quality control. Did you know that when we are in position of auditors, there are high risk factors that expose us to legal liability? For example, the dishonest client that commits unlawful act, or we call it as the management fraud, insolvent client and significant deficiency in audit. So why this high risk happen? It is because there is no quality control. When there is no quality control, it undermines the credibility of the audit function and raises the question about the reliability of financial reporting. Plus, it also attracts substantial criticism regarding the competence and independence of the auditors. Okay, now we go to impacts of audit quality. So why audit quality are important? First of all, it can increase public confidence in audit process and in the financial reporting. This will help to attract more customers and clients to hire an audit firm to make audit services for their companies. Second, it gives better reasonable assurance to customers and clients since it has less misstatement and prevent fraud in the financial statement. Lastly, it can increase the competency in auditing due to having better audit work. For an example, if auditor is not competent enough to make better audit report, it will have impacts on their firm's public image. Thus, client will start finding another firm.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Khairina binti Hamdan. So, I would like to continue with the definition of quality control. What does quality control mean? Quality control is a system that relates to concept of professional, competent and the meeting of professional standard, technical and ethical in providing professional service so that no audit failure and audit risks are reduced to unacceptable low level. So, bear in mind this quality control as we will go through our topic. The quality control in auditing must be developed at the professional level setting, the technical and ethical standard by MIA. At the firm level, the policy for its own practice, and the engagement level, the policy for every engagement. Next, we will discuss about the current issue in the audit quality. The issue of audit quality has always been a key factor for the auditor in performing high-quality audit. It is essential for the auditor to be aware of the issue to enhance the audit quality by making improvement in their work. The first issue in audit quality is low audit fee. Audit fees are costs incurred by company to pay public accounting firm to audit the company financial statement. Audit fee is becoming an issue when auditor use it to control audit quality. Based on the article research which is titled Low Cost Trend in Audit Fee and Their Impact on Service Quality, state that the reduction in the number of large firms has a major negative impact on the auditor. This can affect the audit firm experience, which can cause a drop in the volume of audit performance. When the reduction happens and the volume of the audit increases the competition among the firm, it will cause firm to cut the price of audit to acquire as large a share of the market as possible. The issue is important since a reduction in the quality of auditing service affects not only auditor but also audit firm and consequently their reputation and image. Besides that, when happen financial crisis, it also can affect drastically change company size, which has increased competition among the auditor. The decrease in audit fee as a result of change in the business environment has led to increased low-cost audit. When they receive a low payment, it may have an impact on the quality on their audit, since they may feel that the payment is unfair given how hard they work and how they feel about the task. In conclusion, this research explores whether the reduction in the audit fee due to the financial crisis affect the audit quality. Thank you. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, now let's look at the issue of leadership responsibilities for quality. From the article that I chose, there are 4 findings which are: first, the audit firm had no formal system of quality control in place and there was no indication that the firm had established policies and procedures designed to promote a culture emphasizing that quality is essential in performing audit engagements at the firm's head of office as well as the branch officers. Second, the engagement partners' involvement in an review of each engagement to ensure that the firm's quality standards were met were not evident, including the partner's supervision of critical audit areas and continuous matter identified. Thirdly, the audit firm has established a quality control manual in relation to the quality control policies and procedure of the firm. And last one, the firm had established its quality control policy and procedures as evident in the audit practice manual. Okay, so from the finding, we recommend that the engagement partner to take responsibility for the overall quality of each audit engagement. So the firm's leadership also should take ultimate accountability for the firm's quality control system.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shaira and I will present the next current issue. The next issue is the issue of implementation of ISQC1 to the audit firm. There are several aspects that contribute to the manifestation of audit company performance. Auditors conducted poorly, produced audit work below standard. This study will aim to investigate the standard audit quality control element. The objective of this study is the importance of performance measurement and how it has been measured. In the information age, competitiveness is based on the value of price. This has resulted in a lot of developments, including increasing competitiveness, automation, globalization, and shorter product life cycles. Companies can no longer rely solely on financial metrics to predict their potential income. They must also have strategic steps. According to one study, companies that use non-financial indicators and build a causal relationship between the step chosen and financial result get a higher ROA and equity. The audit company must overcome the unique challenges in providing solutions to meet the needs of our customers while maintaining their distance and impartiality from them. After that, there is no knowledge gap. The auditor can help the process when entering an audit of performance improvement in all of their audit strategies. The purpose of the optimization audit is to also identify inefficiency processes and procedures, and also to offer strategies to improve financial performance to assist organization in achieving the desired results. Having a strong policy will reduce the incidence of inappropriate involvement methods, inadequate documentation, or even over-auditing. A lack of trained internal personnel can also make it difficult to conduct internal consultation on a difficult accounting. ISQC1 recommends adopting existing service auditors as a component of company quality control system and employee involvement.
Thank you, Shaira. Hi, my name is Nur Huda Izzati. So, the final issues is the issues of low levels of reliability and sufficiency of the evidence. So, if the quality of the reported information is low, the audit risk of issuing incorrect audit opinions is high. In this pandemic of COVID-19, auditors tend to rely more on the available evidence that they receive from the external parties such as customer, supplier, and bank, and receive directly from their client. This can cause to decrease the use of original form compared to the one that they were sent by email. And due to the work from home strategy, it affects the reliability of audit evidence as well as audit quality. Okay, next I'm going to present on the recommendation. There are few approaches for the firm and auditor to improve and maintain the audit quality in order to overcome those issues. These include the encouragement of hiring the external auditor to perform an audit of the firm's financial statement. Both internal and external auditor are allowed to audit their client's financial statement every year. However, the external auditor will produce more reliable and credible judgment since they are independent and unbiased and have solid objectivity when they perform their audit. So this helps the external user to obtain a detailed comprehension of the firm's performance and profitability. Next, I believe that competent auditors are able to improve the quality of audits from their expertise and their experience from their line of work. qualified auditors should possess a greater understanding of accounting and auditing when they perform an audit. So as a result, the auditor can identify the material misstatement and provide reasonable assurance in their client report in a shorter time of period, since the auditor experience time constraints when they perform their audit. So this will encourage the firm to offer highest fees to the professional auditor in order to produce high quality audits. Next, auditor needs to minimize their workloads, as excessive workloads can influence their work and satisfaction, which can lead to their motivation. This can be prevented with their segregation of duties by the member, including preparation of audit, obtaining evidence and making inquiries. Last but not least, audit committees need to help their meeting frequently, at least 4 times a year. This will give preparation to the auditor to their latest audit issues and oversight of their clients' internal control system, so they can be more alert to minimize the material misstatement while improving their audit process to perform a better audit quality.
In conclusion, audit quality is something that needs to be taken very seriously. It is also one of the most important prerequisites for conducting an audit. To avoid getting any errors in the financial statements is to have a very high-level experienced auditor so that they can identify the risk factor more effectively and efficiently. Based on the issues, it is necessary to focus on the issue as it may affect the audit quality in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.